And now Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Michael Autovino.
The sunny, hot, and dry conditions continue for today, but we'll see an increase in those winds, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued a red flag warning for all the areas shaded in red. Again, we have an increased risk for some fires this afternoon with breezy conditions continuing, so any fires that do start will rapidly spread. We also have a few thunderstorms possible later on today for the western half of Wyoming, so lightning could also spark some fires. So if you're doing anything outside for today, definitely use extra caution. Winds for the most part this morning are generally light, not really seeing much. Looks like Driggs, one of the breeziest spots right now at 12 miles per hour. But once we move into the first half of the afternoon and into the second half of the afternoon, we'll start to see those winds increasing. It turns breezy along the I-15 corridor, then right around 4 o'clock, breezy to windy conditions across Idaho Falls, seeing wind speeds over 20 miles per hour. And then it generally will look like those winds will die down as we look ahead into the second half of the evening. Looking outside this morning, some locations are waking up to a rather foggy sky. This is of the US 20 webcam near Harriman State Park, just south of Island Park. So heads up if you're traveling north for this morning, you may encounter some areas with reduced visibility. Temperatures though this morning, mild for all areas. Notice across the Snake River Plain, 50s and 60s, 56 currently in Idaho Falls, 51 in Rexburg. We're waking up to 62 in Pocatello, so no jacket needed for today. Just grab the sunglasses on the way out the door this morning. Talking about mild temperatures, will certainly be a hot one for this weekend. We'll see lots of sunshine for both tomorrow and also for Sunday. Temperatures actually will cool off a bit for the first half of the weekend. We'll see the middle 90s for today and a cold front will pass through, and that's why we'll just barely reach that 90-degree point for tomorrow. You can already see that cold front well up to our northwest. Again, not really doing much for us for this morning, but what it will do for us once it moves through the second half of the afternoon, it'll increase those wind speeds. It'll also bring us warmer temperatures as well. We'll get a nice strong push of air coming in from the south, and that's why we'll see temperatures rising into those middle 90s. We could also see an isolated shower to a storm across our eastern Snake Highlands into the western half of Wyoming, and also some clouds later. Let's time it out. 7 o'clock this morning, again, a rather sunny start for the I-15 corridor. Some clouds across our southeast highlands. We start to cloud up around 3 o'clock this afternoon. It may start to look threatening across Bannock County, but again, most of the showers and storms stay to our east, so heads up across the western half of Wyoming, also across the Jackson area later on today. And then again, once we look ahead into the evening, we clear out, and that will set the stage for a sunny and bright weekend for us. Looking ahead to those temperatures, today will be a hot one out there. 90s return across most of the region. 96 today in Blackfoot and Pocatello. 92 in Rexburg. So with these hot conditions, if you'll be outside later on today, apply extra sunscreen and certainly remember to stay hydrated as well. For tonight, with warmer temperatures during the day, will be warmer. Notice 59 for Blackfoot tonight, lower 60s across Pocatello, American Falls, also for the eastern half of the Magic Valley. For tomorrow, as we kickstart the weekend, it'll be beautiful out there across the region and not too hot for many areas. Sun Valley at 86 tomorrow, Idaho Falls at 89, Pocatello and also Boise tomorrow will reach those lower 90s. For your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealers 7-day forecast, will be sunny for tomorrow and hot for the next 7 days. Those 90s stick around across Idaho Falls. 90s for your area today. Will be breezy for this afternoon, and then we'll see a lot of sunshine for tomorrow.